Mũrĩega eroreri, njĩtagwo Ruth. Nĩndamwamũkĩra kĩhunguro gĩkĩ kĩa YouTube kĩa Ruth na Mary tũkĩrutana Gĩkũyũ. Ngwĩhoka nĩmwakeneire kĩrathi kĩu kĩngĩ wiki ĩyo ĩhĩtũkĩte kũrĩa Mary amũrutire ũhoro wa rũthiomi rwa Gĩkũyũ. Ũmũthĩ tũkwĩruta ũhoro wa family, marĩtwa ma family, na tũkwambĩrĩria o rĩu. Baba, dad, maitũ, mom, and some other parts of the country you call mommy, the same thing as mom. Then Maito has also another different name for great grandmother, another meaning. Then we have uncle, mama, and this I want to emphasize is for the uncle from the mother's side. Then we have the uncle from the father's side, we call them Fafa Monindi. Fafa Monindi. This is a brother to your dad, younger brother to your dad. Then we have the big brother for your dad or for your father, whom we call Fafa Mukuru. He's also an uncle. So it's very important that this is differentiated for Kikuyu. Then the same thing with auntie. We say auntie, tata. Again, this is from the your mother's side. From your father's side, you don't call them aunt. You call them Maito Monindi. It's like my mother, my younger mom, a younger version of my mom, Maito Monindi. Then a sister to your father who is the same thing, who is older, you call them Maito Mukuru. And it can also be the wife of your uncle from your father's side. Then we move on. Grandmother, shosho. So here there's no differentiation between which maternal grandmother or paternal. So shosho, grandmother. Guka, grandfather. My brother, muru wa maito. Mwari wa maito, my sister. Mudhoniwa, in-law. And this is for both sides. Kamwana is a small boy. Kemwana, a big boy. Mwanake, a young man. Kairetu, a girl or a young girl. Muiretu, a lady. Mwana, a baby. Kana, small baby, or kana gakege. This is a baby who is about maybe a month, a day old, or 1 week old. So we call them gakege. Those ones you are holding. We have come to the end of our lesson, the 5th lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you next week to another exciting Kikuyu lesson. Don't forget to like, to subscribe if you have not subscribed, to comment, we like your comments, and to share our video. Bye. See you again.